Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade in Toca Boca. First, you'll need to gather your essential ingredients, fresh lemons and some sweet sugar. We'll then walk through the easy process of combining them to craft a delightful drink. Get ready to quench your Toca Boca characters' thirst with your very own homemade lemonade. It's a fun and simple activity everyone can enjoy. To begin, head over to the Toca Boca grocery store or a farm location to pick up some bright yellow lemons. Next, you'll want to find sugar, which is usually available in kitchen areas or the supermarket. Don't forget the water. You can get this from any tap, a water cooler, or even a bottle you might find around the game world. Gathering these items is the first exciting step. Once you have your lemons, sugar, and water, it's time to mix. Take your lemons and place them into a juicer or a blender to extract their delicious juice. Then, add your sugar to taste. A good starting point is 1 part sugar to 2 parts lemon juice. Finally, pour your freshly made lemonade into a glass, and it's ready to serve to your Toca Boca friends. Enjoy your sweet creation. Now that you've mastered basic lemonade, why not get creative? Try adding other fruits, like strawberries or blueberries, to make flavored lemonades. You can also add ice cubes to your drink for an extra refreshing touch, especially on a warm Toca Boca day. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy lemonade making.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.